Hi, good day sir. This is Rosalie Albuguat from Multigrade. In this video, I will be doing my chapter 5 which is assessment in multi-grade classes. Let us now first begin in the let's practice activity. Monitoring, assessment, and evaluation in multi-grade classes can be done effectively by doing it in consideration with the students' individual uniqueness, differences, capacity level, grade level, age level, and diversity, in which instructions are differentiated and differentiated assessment tools on how he or she monitors the student's academic and behavioral progress. Let us proceed to the let's begin activity. Given the chance to choose of how my teacher will assess my understanding of the lesson, I would prefer to have a performance task rather than a written task. It is because my performance task can boost self-confidence, and also it doesn't just merely on my academic matters, but then also of how I apply it institutionalized or in real-life experiences, and I find it more attractive and engaging. Using performance-based assessment rather than written assessments allows students the flexibility to show the ways in which they have learned the material while challenging them to use higher-order thinking skills to apply their knowledge. Performance tasks can be used to engage students in meaningful learning. Since rich performance tasks establish authentic context that reflect genuine application of knowledge, students are often motivated and engaged by such real-world challenges. Performance tasks approximate real-world application of complex skills, allow students to actively demonstrate their learning and skills. Performance tasks can measure abilities beyond academic knowledge and skills. And now let us proceed to the next activity. Summative assessments are used to evaluate students' learning, skill acquisition, and academic achievement at the conclusion of defined instructional period. While on the other hand, formative assessment is a planned, ongoing process used by all students and teachers during the learning and teaching, elicit and use evidence of the students' learning to improve students' understanding of intended disciplinary learning outcomes, and support students to become self-directed learners. Formative assessments have low stakes and usually carry no grade, which in some instances may discourage the students from doing the task or fully engaging with it. The goal of summative assessment is to evaluate students' learning at the end of an instructional unit by comparing it against some standard of benchmark. How does traditional assessment differ from authentic assessment? Traditional assessments often take the form of an exam with selected responses items, such as multiple choice or true or false questions. In contrast, an authentic assessment would ask students to use information to create a product or perform in some way. A traditional test asks students to select or give response. An authentic assessment asks them to perform a task. Are all performance tasks authentic assessment? For me, yes. It is because when we talk about authentic assessment, it talks about the engagement of the students and performing a certain task using their critical and creative thinking, and it is a sort of learning in which they develop the theory of learning by doing, in which authentic assessments allow students to demonstrate their knowledge and skills in self-assessment better than peer assessment. For me, it's a yes. It is because peer assessment is an assessment in which allows students to assess each other's performance. It can be extremely valuable in helping students to learn from each other by listening, analyzing, and problem solving. It gives the students the opportunity to take an active role in the ongoing and final performance of their peers and themselves in a group activities. And also, it encourages students to be cooperative, responsible, and a productive member of a group. And also, it allows students to see a reflection on their peers. So let us now proceed to the let's practice activity, which you can see in this table. Topic: reads and write money in symbols and in words. So for grade 1, reads and write money in symbols and in words from 1 up to 10. Assessment method: traditional and non-traditional methods. Games, assignments, worksheets, set work. Skills and values developed. Reading skills, writing skills, problem-solving skills, and intra and social personal skills. And also to be able to know and understand the importance of reading and writing money in symbols and words from 1 up to 10 that can be used and applied in daily lives and activities. And then for grade 2, reads and write money in symbols and words from 10 up to 50. So assessment method, traditional and non-traditional methods, games, assignments, worksheets, works, and quiz. Values and skills developed. Reading skills, writing skills, problem-solving skills, personal and social skills. and also to be able to know and understand the importance of reading and writing money and symbols and words from 10 up to 50 that can be used and applied in daily lives and activities. So for grade 3, topic reads and writes money and symbols and in words from 50 to 100. Assessment method, traditional and non-traditional methods. Games, assignments, worksheets, seat works, quizzes, and projects. Values and skills developed. Reading skills, writing skills, problem-solving skills, personal and social skills, and also to be able to know and understand the importance of reading and writing money in symbols and in words from 50 up to 100 that can be used and applied in daily lives and activities. And that could be all. Thank you.